How about? Vlogger. Thank you, Miss Mia. And next time ulit.
See you tomorrow.
Good day mga Repa Pips. It's another day. And sasama namin kayo sa isang Quago Festival, which is may collab siya with Chronic Ink Tattoo Philippines. So try natin sumilip and see if makakapagpa-tattoo tayo today. Okay, let's go! So nandito tayo ngayon sa Quago Cafe, ang Quago Espresso. Silip tayo sa loob. How about? Vlogger. Yan si Pot, ang may-ari ng Autopots at Quago
Hello,
Espresso.
punta kayo dito. Ang Car Wash Cafe ng Bacoor. Quago at Autopots.
Yun! Tara, silip tayo. Papatato. Tignan natin. Hey! What's up, what's up? Nice!
Galing!
Diba?
Oh. Hello!
Hello, sir. Ian. Dito ni Ipot. Ito ko nga. Mag-inquire lang ako muna kasi bala ko, ito na yung meron ako. Tapos parang gusto ko sanang padagdagan. Actually, intention is madagdagan siya ng marami.
Parang kumaga, itong isang space dito para mag-match yung
Yun inisip ko parang tatlo siya dito.
Itong area po na to, yung skin nakadikit sa muscle.
Okay guys, decided na ako. Magpapalagay tayo ng tattoo dito sa side natin ito. Yan. Ang napili kong design is yung banner ng House of Stark sa Game of Thrones. Yee! Excited!
Valentine, woo, woo, woo. Yeah, 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 woo, woo, woo. Yeah, 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 woo, woo, woo. Yeah, 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 woo, woo, yeah. Bobby Valentino. I get up all in ya, yeah, when we can hear the angels calling us, yeah, when we can see the sunrise before us, yeah, and when I'm in that thing, I make that body sing. You know what I mean? Hey, hey, like a cop call. Hey, I make you say, throwing the buck in the latest drop. Got stopped by a lady cop. She got me thinking I could date a cop. Cause her uniform pants were so tight. She read me my rights. She put me in a call. She cut off all the lights. She said I have the right to remain silent. Now I gotta holler, sounding like a siren. Talking about, yeah, yeah, yeah. And I know she the law, and she know I'm the ball, and she know I get high above the law, and she know I'm wrong. She know I'm from the street, and all she want me to do is fuck the police. Talking about, yeah, yeah.
So guys, it's our turn!
Pero better. Ayan, kasi ka-level niya yun.
Sometimes
Pips. Well, first off, thank you, Miss Mia, for for a very nice tattoo session and sa time na binigay mo sa amin right now. So, impromptu Q&A lang para lang meron kaming idea kasi it's very seldom na makakausap ako ng isang artist na katulad nyo. So, first question, ano yung how did you start doing tattoo and what made you decide na i-pursue yung karera na to?
Bata pa ako, mahilig na ako sa art, drawing, pero hindi ko siya ma-place ko ano siyang trabaho eh. Nung high school, na-expose ako sa bands. So, band scene, di ba maraming tattoo. So, nanonood ako ng mga gigs, parang wow, ganda nun ah. And then my friend, nagpatattoo siya. Parang na-amaze ako na paano gamitin yung skin as a medium.
Parang
Matuwa ako.
canvas.
Oo, tapos simula nun parang naano na ako, na-mesmerize ako. Tapos pagpasok ko ng college, fine arts, lahat na ng projects ko, ng plates sa fine arts, actually tattoo design related. Hanggang yung thesis ko about the then vanishing tattoo tradition of Kalinga. Yun na yun. Tapos nag-iba pa akong job Tapos one day, tinanong ko yung tattoo artist ko, si Ricky Santana, na na pwede ba akong mag-apprentice. So tinanggap niya ako as apprentice. So yun na yun. Dire-diretso.
The late Ricky Santana.
Oh yes, the late and great.
So, nung first nag-start ka, what is the first tattoo that you have done? And ano yung feeling nung natapos mo yun? Kasi, kumaga parang every one of us meron tayong isang moment na yun yung nag-start talaga. Di ba? Ano yung ginawa mo and ano yung feeling nung natapos mo yun? Kinabahan ka pa?
Kinabahan talaga ako. So, under the apprenticeship sa kay Ricky, may in-invite silang kaibigan nila. Pinainom nila ng alak. Nilising nila, tapos hinipe nila na, babae, tattoo artist. Kasi konti pa lang yung tattoo artist na babae then. So, pinatuloy lang sa akin yung tribal. Meron siyang unfinished tribal leg that tinuloy ko lang. Very nervous kasi iba yung texture ng balat sa papel. Kasi I'm so used to paper. So, nung meron siyang learning curve, of course. Parang kinabahan. Pero, ang sarap ng feeling kasi finally, after the apprenticeship, nagawa ko sa balat.
Oo, no? Imagine mo yun. Then, ano yung pinaka-challenging design or ano ba yung mga terms doon? Parang ano yung pinaka-challenging na ginawa mong tattoo so far?
Ako kasi, I do more of black and gray. So, pag colored, kaya ko naman, pero I'm more comfortable sa black and gray. So, sa akin, challenging ang realism. Like, hindi ko yun forte. Gusto ko yun na inaamin ko yun para alam ko yung strengths ko. Mas concentrated ako sa black and gray. So, sa akin, colored is a bit challenging.
And anong design yung unang medyo parang challenging sa'yo? Mukha ba? Or...
Oh, yeah. Oh, mahirap ang mukha eh. Hindi ako masyado... Pag mukha, ginagawa kong line art. Ginagawa kong medyo abstract or graphic. Parang graphic design kinda. Yung realistic, hindi ko yan.
Okay.
I would refer you to another friend na yun ang special. Yeah.
Well, then ito, parang $1 million question. Ano yung pinaka-weird na part na tinatuan mo so far? I mean, yung talagang unexpected lang sabi, dito mo ako lagyan, parang gano'n.
Kasi magta 20 years na akong tattooing next year. Parang wala nang weird.
Congratulations, 20 years.
Masaya yung trabaho. Wala nang weird ngayon. Siguro, kasi sabihin nila baka yung bastos or yung parang private, mga normal na. Siguro weird but very interesting. Yung dito, yung ditch dito. Yung gitna ng
Yung
collarbone.
lubog?
Di ba kayo lubog doon? May nagpatattoo ng dalawang maliit na isda. Parang pond. Parang, yun na siguro. Pero hindi naman siya weird. Pero wala na talagang weird eh.
Well, again, thank you, Miss Mia. If you have like, something that you want to promote or something na you want to offer, mga services or, shops, like,
Yes.
where we can find you.
We are opening our shop sa Esteban Abada, 88 Esteban Abada. The new Chronic branch will be there. June 5 will be opening. Kung
June
may
5.
time kayo, punta kayo. Yeah.
That's a new shop or
Yes.
branch na siya?
New shop na yun.
New shop na.
Yes.
And you're doing, pa rin, yung pop-up.
Yes, and
tattoo.
I also have a private studio. So private studio and also that shop sa Esteban Abada.
Yan. Well, thank you again, Miss Mia.
Thank you.
Napakaganda. Satisfied talaga.
Salamat.
Thank you, Miss Mia.
Thank you.
And next time ulit.
See you tomorrow.
Bye!
know you want my love, baby.
Got me twisted
Girl, you got me twisted over you.
Oh my
I
God.
got what you need right here, baby.
So what you wanna do?
So yun mga Repa Pips, that's our day. And I'm really satisfied with the result ng tattoo natin. Okay? So that's Chronic Ink Philippines and si Miss Mia yung artist na gumawa nung tat design natin. And I love it. Okay? So again, thank you mga Repa Peeps. Hanggang sa muli. Bye!